facts, no. Not on facts, no. But
either he is very good or he is very bad.
No. I want to place certain things. Out of the 5 transfers, 3 of them were at his own request. Number 1.
3.
Number 2.
3. The last one also.
Malas, not the last one. But Malas, one more very important thing, Malas, which I want to place before Malas. On the last date of hearing, on 4th of December 20, order which has been passed. Malas, if we look at it, it does not transfer the petitioner from that post. The petitioner was supposed to be relegated to his substantive post. Malas,
in motion.
Manas, the petitioner, Manas, I just wanted to just make 2 things clear. The petitioner served as a process server. Because of certain exigencies in the state, and there were a lot of recruitments of direct recruits of subdivisional collectors which were pending, some officers or some persons were allowed to look after. Manas, this is not a promotion. It is just an in-charge look after of that post. He was acting as a look after, in the capacity as a look after. He was looking after the work of the STC. It's
in addition or substantive also. Look only in that post, no, in addition to substantive.
Yes, absolutely.
Absolutely.
What is your answer?
No, yes. No, his substantive post was Jiladar, and he will have to go to be promoted as an STC. On 11th November 2000,
At request.
Malas may kindly also see, it says LA. It is on a look after basis.
We are on a look after alone. We are on your statement that out of 5, 3 he asked for.
Yes.
Straight from the record.
Malas, I can.
So you were posted as a sub-registrar.
Yes, sir.
LA sub-registrar.
But salary as Ziladar.
Yes, sir.
So how do you say that you're drawing the salary of?
Well, it's subsequently it has been transferred and now it's drawing his salary as a look after look after STC.
So you accept if you look after, then you have no right to that. But yes, you can say that you have been there are posts available and you have been singled out.
Show us the second transfer order.
But the second transfer order is on the next
page.
Please,
suppose it is on his request. Yes. And normally if his request is exceeded, then he should be given the normal tenure. Then why did you transfer him again?
No,
accept it. If you accept on his, that means you accept the reasons given for requesting a transfer, then it has to be normally for a normal tenure. Normal tenure is what? Not less than
3 years at least.
3 years?
Normal tenure, Malas, I completely bow down what Malas is saying. Malas, but the point is, Malas, he needs, now there are people who have been directly recruited to that particular post.
You make 5 transfers, once transferred now to at least for 3 years, it should not have been time. Now you can say last transaction maybe. Yes. Then why did you keep on transferring him?
You indulged him by acceding to his request.
Malas, I
cannot indulge him. You can't just pick him up and throw him everywhere.
No, Malas, it's not a matter of
we can't records that there is any request.
Malas, I can ask for the state for the records, but the fact remains, Malas, this the petitioner is not at all.
Is it your case that no such person similarly situated to the petitioner has been holding this LA?
No, Malas, I don't have proper instructions on that.
No, then you have to come clean on that. Unless you come clean on that,
it cannot completely.
You can't pick and choose.
I completely bow down.
You can't still twiddle your thumbs. That you will say, I'll say orally, they filed it late on before the last date of hearing, so I didn't file it. We never heard such an excuse.
And when you accept that it is on a look after basis, then you don't have a. It is their discretion. They put you on a higher. That
and they moved you back.
Go to. You have a right. You have a lead on that. You have a basic right.
Please file a better affidavit.
Both of you
if you don't want to file a rejoinder, it's your funeral. Take down. The counsel for the respondent number 1, state of Manipur, and the private respondent number 3 have saved their file counter affidavits in January 2024. Rejoinder thereto has not been filed by learned counsel for the petitioner. If he seeks time to file a rejoinder, if the same is not filed within 2 weeks from Honorable One State of Manipur, that out of 5 transfers in respect of the transfer orders issued in respect of the petitioner, 3 orders were passed on the basis of on the basis of a request made by him. Relevant documents to demonstrate the same shall be filed by the respondent of one state. What else do you want to file? Anything else? It should also be clarified on an affidavit. The affidavit shall also clarify as to whether any other employees, like the petitioner herein, been look after working on a substantive post, but been assigned post higher to the substantive post on a look after basis. If so, whether they also have been reverted back as in the case of the petition. That the said affidavit shall be filed within 2 weeks with a copy to counsel for the petitioner.
Please.
Very good.
I want to.
Please go. Please follow. Because this is a case where the parties, this is an application that there is an interim, there is an order that has been passed by the US courts fixing the settlement between the parties as an award. Now, under that, certain properties have to come to me, part of the investments have to come
That
to me.
court is, unless there is an executive court here that can pass a mirror.
I can point out what happened here. No, what has happened is slightly different. My lords, the wife filed for a divorce in the Vermont court in US. Husband initially participated in that proceedings. Then what he does is he files an application before the party because the parties are
Yes, we are aware of those.
Yes, my lords, just a minute, and I will be very, very brief. So, my lords, he gets an anti-suit, then he files an anti-suit injunction here.
Right.
Now, his application in the US gets rejected on the ground of that jurisdiction of being Parsi from the Surat District Court. My lords, apropos to that, that order is presented there. That order is under challenge and it is still pending since 2018 before Gujarat High Court.
It's not come to the point. Your last order specifically, we dealt with an IE, we told the other side to get it.
Yes, my lord. On that $5,000 for 1 month.
I'll just straight away answer and very frankly because you said everything very clearly. But pursuant to the Vermont court order, $600,000 worth of my property was given to a sole debtor. So that entire $600,000 gone to I have not got anything. Now the question here is they are saying they themselves have filed a maintenance application pendent in the Surat court. Now they're inviting your lordships to give an interim order on having already given 600,000. Let the Surat court decide.
Now, let me answer that question.
Application pending.
Yes, I agree.
My lords,
It's listed on 20th March.
my lords, can I just show that now?
Your grievance is that you have not been heard.
No, my lords, my grievance is Surat court is just not progressing at all.
So that cannot be a ground for
My lords,
You can only request the court.
Yes, sir.
The date.
20th decided.
my learned,
I have always appeared, they have not appeared.
this, can I just respond to this now? Now, my lords, the court in US ordered $5,000 per month by way of maintenance, which he paid under the orders of this court. Then, after the matter came to be disposed of till February of 2000, he paid. He stopped paying thereafter. He has deliberately stalled the proceedings in Surat. Today, my lords,
Senora, we are only saying the next stage is round the corner. You will request that court to take up your application. And
It's only pendent and it can be decided.
what is the
20th March, Lord.
which forum?
Well, this is
Surat. My lords, I would request that please keep this pending here.
This application.
My lords, then let me.
Then there will be a flash. We don't
My lords, allow me then. Just allow me for a minute. Just in those proceedings, this court passed certain orders. And the 2 facts which are very significant, and I need to bring it to my proceedings. First, with the consent order, bring the children.
tell the appellate court about the expectation.
Neither the proceedings in the High Court are going on. My lords,
We have only an IA before us, you can't expand the scope of the present.
my lords, I am only saying that now court, my lords, just.
Only your IA. That's what
Yes, I'm only on the highway. Now, I'm only on
Your IA, similar IA.
Yes, my lords,
Family court, please get then.
completely.
There.
Now, my lords, if I was
And you want both the things to go together, we dismiss this application.
No, my lords, I'm not saying that. Would my lords please see what was this honorable court's order, please?
On an interim application.
My lords, no, in my substantive.
That is why we are